Hello, you beautiful souls. How are you today? Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, talking about your daily horoscope for the 16th of April, Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. This is a big day, big Tuesday. What's going on today? We've got the moon in the middle to later degrees of Virgo. Okay, so it's going to make an opposition to Mercury, which is the last degree. We'll talk about that in a second. The last degree of Pisces, to Venus, which is later on 20 degrees of Pisces. That's making a perfect sextile over to Saturn and Pluto, and to Neptune, that's going to be up there for many more years to come. So, what does all this mean? Well, Virgo is very precise, okay? It's very, very precise in its action, like a laser focused, okay? So it's like, what do you know, so it's like this is the end of the personal side of the zodiac, okay? So Aries through Virgo is all the personal stuff. Then when we get Libra through Pisces, is all the others, has to do with other people. So it's like we've already learned about the ego stuff. We've already gone through all of this ego transformation, okay? Over the past couple weeks, over the past couple of months, right? A lot's been going on, a lot of personal transformation. So, as we're diving more and we're getting clearer on our focus, like a clearer focus on our vision, which is awesome. That's basically what today is all about, moving into tomorrow. Big, big days here. So, we're getting more focused. So, it's like, I'm going to be a fruit-bearing tree. Okay, well, what kind? Not just any fruit-bearing tree. I'm going to be an apple tree. Okay, well, what kind? I'm going to be a red apple tree. Okay, well, what kind? A red delicious? Are you going to be, how many different kinds of apples are there? Whatever. It's a very specific one. I'm going to be an orange. Not a clementine, not a tangerine, I'm going to be a blood orange, a very specific orange. So it's like coming down to something very, very specific. So it's like gaining this, everything, putting the horse blinders on, right? So everything else kind of drowns out. And what's amazing about this particular day is Mercury is at the 29th degree of Pisces. The last degree of Pisces, the last degree of the zodiac before it moves into Aries, self, okay, the beginning again. So this is where Mercury started its retrograde. Very exciting. So this is the end of the shadow period of Mercury. So if we remember right, Mercury moved through Pisces, then it stopped at the 29th degree, and it was there for about 4 or 5 days, around March 4th, 3rd, maybe 4th, okay? So it was there for several days at the 29th degree because it moved forward. I mean, usually Mercury, when it's going fast, it moves to 1 to 2 degrees a day. And it was stuck on the 29th degree. Like it just couldn't break through to Aries. It couldn't break through to the self-breakthrough yet. It had to wait. We had a lot more to learn, right? We had a lot to revisit and rethink and relearn. A lot to let go of and a lot to clear up, which is beautiful. That retrograde in Pisces was really nice. So think back, where were you around March 4th, March 6th when the retrograde first started to happen, okay? Where were you at that point in time? How much have you, rediscovered, gone back through, it's like going back over the case files and then something else pops up again, and now we can continue, this was the missing link, and so now the moon's over here in Virgo, very precise and very focused. So like the moon in Virgo and Mercury at the 29th degree of Pisces, this is like, a meditation of going in and being completely open to receiving the gift from the universe that is a very clear and precise vision that will be coming to you. Like this, I mean that. Like if today is a day that you sit down and want to meditate and be like, I'm open to receiving, and doing a little bit of your own, your own will goes into these things, not just sitting here and thinking about groceries or trying to clear a head. That's an exhausting way to meditate. Just think of nothing, but just to be open to receive, because what's going to come up today on this Tuesday is magic. It's a pure gift from the universe, all right? And then it's breakthrough to self come on Wednesday. We'll talk about that tomorrow. So this is a big day. Be focused, be clear and precise on the things. And maybe that's part of the mission. Maybe that's part of the meditation is guidance and clarity on exactly what kind of tree do you want to be, what kind, want to be a nut, what kind of a nut, a cashew, a pistachio, an almond, there's all these different varieties of things. So as we're like giving, we're learning how to give, because that's what Virgo is all about. It's about giving back to the community. So as we're going to give back, what kind of fruit are we going to be? How are we going to give back? Be precise, be focused, be open to receive. Happy Tuesday, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.